welcome to Baylis Vauxhall. Today we're viewing a Vauxhall Cascada 1.6 Turbo Elite Auto. This model's covered 14,866 miles and is finished in Summit White. Also comes with a Baylis warranty with the option to extend it to 36 months. It comes with many features, including stylish 20-inch bi-colour alloy wheels, shark fin roof aerial, high-level LED brake lights, reversing camera and rear parking sensors, colour-coded door handles plus colour-coded mirrors, and at the front of the vehicle there are bi-xenon headlights incorporating LED daytime running lights. As we take a look inside the vehicle, there is full grey leather upholstery, front and rear electric windows and electric mirrors, automatic lighting control, multifunction steering wheel and a central display in the dashboard with trip computer, audio and Bluetooth controls with cruise control, infotainment system with satellite navigation, heated front seats and automatic gearbox, and individual headrests. If you're interested in this vehicle, then please give us a call at Baylis Vauxhall.